Hey, it's Clay with Vase and BikeBandit.com, and today we are talking about the Shoei X-14 Bradley 3 helmet. This is a track-ready helmet. This is a race day helmet. This thing is inspired by only the best. So let's talk about this helmet and what it comes with. Well, the first thing it comes with is 20 different color selections. How fun is that? Choose one of your favorite colors and you're ready to go. We talk about comfortability. So we have 6 in, 6 out, as I like to call it, ventilation. So you have 6 ports in the front, 6 exhaust ports out the rear, keeping you nice and cool for those long track days. What else is it keeping you cool? Those chin pads. So inside here, you got amazing flow right into the cheeks, keeping you nice and cool. The cheek pads are also removable to be washed or during an emergency. You've got lots of field of view, lots of comfortability. You also have aerodynamics. This is an aerodynamic helmet that has been put into wind tunnels, and they let you adjust the aerodynamics by these rear flaps. These can be removed and put smaller ones on to make you a little bit more comfortable during those long rides. This is a very fun helmet. It also keeps you anti-funk with a 3D max dry technology. So all of this inside here can actually be worn for long days on the track, and so you get that anti-funk, less smell technology built into this helmet. Lower air spoiler, breath guard, and chin curtain are included inside this box. This is a race-ready helmet. This is the Shoei X-14 Bradley 3. You can come into Vase Power Sports in San Diego, California, or order from the comfort of your couch on BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.